Before beginning, be aware that you'll need a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. If you don't have it, check the link in the description of this video to learn how to create one. First, boot your computer from a Windows 10 flash drive. Select your language and then press Next. Press Repair this computer. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Repair. Select your account. Type in your password. If you don't have one, just press Continue. Now wait for Windows 10 to be repaired. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. Select your account. Type in your password, and if you don't have one, just press Continue. Now type bootrex/fix mbr and then press Enter. Type bootrex/fixboot and then press Enter. Type bcd edit/export c/bidbackup and then press Enter. Type attrib/boot/bcd-h-r-s and then press Enter. Type renc/boot/bcd-bcd.old and then press Enter. Type bootrex/rebuildBCD and then press Enter. Type Y and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Press Continue to restart. If that didn't work, open Advanced Options again. Press System Restore. Select your account. Select your keyboard layout. Press Next. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Press Finish. Press Yes. Now wait for your PC to be restored. Press Restart. Now your PC should be restored. Press Close. If that didn't work, click on Troubleshoot. Press Reset this PC. Select if you want to keep your personal files. Select your account. Type in your password, and if you don't have one, just press Continue. Press Reset. Now wait for Windows to reset.